Good morning. Running a little behind this morning here. Alrighty, let's get into this here. SPY continued on its uptrend. Amazon had a big day yesterday, like I thought. Alright, let's take a look at SPY. SPY just break the high pre-market? Sure did. Well, look at that. Wow. Well, they've done this. We've had this. We've seen this game a couple times over the last few months. The dip and then the ride up in the afternoon. Very interesting. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. Let me look some other stuff on here so I can look at some stuff. Zip over to Qs. Qs broke highs as well pre-market. Such a nasty move, man. The short squeeze they put on the people that jumped on short right here is just nasty. Nasty short squeeze. Looking about the close on Qs, probably to go long to ride it back up into highs. Generally, if it breaks highs pre-market, it'll go back and test it throughout the day. We've talked and talked and talked about that. Good morning, Tandon. You're a little late this morning. SPY and Qs have broke highs pre-market, and now we're getting a sell-off. Yeah, Google broke out. But we'll get to that in a minute. I just got going, so just give me a minute here. Yeah. $36.53. Whoops, typo. 36.53 on Amazon. Who just messaged me? My phone has been off the hook this morning. And I was out of coffee, had to run to the damn store. I think Amazon's on its move to go to 38.51, along with Apple up to those upper levels. Be nice if Apple would give us an entry. It's been so hard to catch some of this long movement on Apple. Just wants to take off right out of the gate. Apple's one of my bread and butter stocks. I didn't trade it for a little while, but I'm back to it now. Man, look at this. It's craziness. All right, so Apple's in a nice little uptrend here. 146.80 is going to be a test of the uptrend. So we'll be watching that for a long. AMD's breaking out. Look at AMD. Retest of the high of yesterday, possibly for a long on AMD. Risk is pretty large there, though. Don't really see a short that looks good at all. Amazon. Looks like it wants to bounce the close. Whoops. Amazon's down at the moment. Boeing, look at Boeing. It's interesting. Baba with the mega candles every day. Baba's probably going to come to this 202.84 area and bounce. It's just so divergent, Baba. Dan, I guess it's a good thing you didn't get in charge point yesterday. You'd have got smoked. Chewy had a nice run off, bounce off the 50. I was watching it and I didn't grab it. Coinbase is in the slide. Interesting candle way up here. Nope, working down the list. I'm on Coinbase right now. Coinbase is looking pretty good for a long. 224.54. It's a pretty good area. Keep an eye on that one. Yeah, well, I'm not trading it currently, but you never know. We'll watch it. Disney. More big candles to the south. I'm starting to wonder if some of the hedgies are starting to set up to short the market because this Delta variant of COVID's blowing up all over they keep talking about. But that short squeeze on Facebook, oh, look at Facebook. Good Lord. Well, it ran all the way up to 362.48, broke out pre-market. I would love for it to come down to 351.20 so I can get long. Yeah. Down to the close. 351.20 is the close, so roughly. Yeah, wait for it to come down to 351.20, take it long. Maybe around this 357 it may bounce. Which this is a pretty, you can see it right here in the rest of the chart, and there was a lot of action pre-market around that area. Do what? What'd you say? All right. That's Facebook. Let's continue on. Google. Tandon's favorite, Google. Yeah. You have to take profit on it, buddy. You can't hold Google overnight if you know it's good for you. Well, it broke out of highs, so pre-market. I hope it dips to 25.68. I'd be looking for a long there. It's close in the retest of the highs. Could bounce 25.86.84 as well, actually, which is the old high. Have to play that one by the market speed and see what it looks like. Intel, do Google? No, I think it'll pull back a little. That was a lot of after pre-market action. Yeah, I saw that. Intel's got a lot of support here at 53.97. Damn Microsoft. I wanted to take that play late, but I made so much money on SPY, I didn't care. Looks like a typical dip and then a run back up to me. MU 7501 for the long. Oh, look at NVIDIA. See this candle? It's got up to 206.82. Oh, the candles? They're usually right, buddy. Sometimes it can. Speaking of PayPal. All right, Q's long from 365.95, I think is going to be a good play. A little wiggle is going to get you down to the range, 50 cents, into the congestion, coming to the close. Space keeps dumping. SPY hasn't changed much, just kind of hanging around the open. Squares like a missile. Damn it, man. Right to the line. Bang, ran right to it. Yeah. Tesla's too choppy. Twitter with the big after hours squeeze. I'd assume it sells off to the close. Pre-market high. That was a long time ago. When was that? February? All right, need to open the brokerage here. $9.24.5. I always remember to do it then. Love the facial recognition of Interactive Brokers, buddy. I just like that level of security they use with Apple. We're just gonna have to sit and wait for a play to come to us today, I think, guys. We're not gonna be able to just, you're not gonna be able to just jump in. Have to be a little patient. Yeah. Yeah. They could even run it all the way down towards that 68, that 69 down here and that 68.85. Yep. Yep. Remember, it's Friday, guys, so we're going to size down. So for you, Tandon, that means you're going to stay away from Google today. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I like Apple long from 146.80. I don't think I'm going to get it, but I like it. Close. Right. Mm-hmm. I really don't want Amazon to break the close. Mm-hmm. About a minute and a half here, guys. What's another play I liked? I damn forgot which one I liked. I like Apple. Which one was it? MU. MU's taken off. AMD's tanking. Wow. Yeah, Microsoft from 286.13. That's what it was, Microsoft. About 40 seconds, guys. If anybody hears some snoring in the background, that's my bulldog. I'm definitely awake. Right, Precious? I was late this morning, live, slow. Here we go, guys. Apple just does not want to give me an entry, ever. Amazon's dropping, SPY's coming down. I'm not taking a trade in the first minute. I'm going to let this shake out a little bit. Amazon broke the close. Nvidia's diving. Mm-hmm. I really want to short SPY from here and ride it down to 435.50s. If I get a suck up, I think I'm going to try SPY short. Just I hate doing this. I hate doing this play on a Friday because the option degrades so fast. Yeah. All right, I took some SPY short 105. I got filled on the 438s. I'm up $8 a contract already. 10. Oh, swung back down. Come on, SPY, to the basement. Very dangerous play I did right here. Mm-hmm. Come on, Precious, you're making too much noise. I really looking for a long, but I think SPY's going to come down first. I see it. Q's is diving. SPY should let loose and come down. Nvidia's at the 194.10 call. Might close out this SPY. Yeah. Amazon's trying to hold. Oh, there we go. I don't know how I just got paid $10 a contract, but I just did. Just sold some at 110. I only took a small starter position, so. Oh yeah, there goes Facebook. Wow. Facebook 351.20. We'd be looking for a long on Facebook. I'm still green in my SPY contract. Now I'm a little, nope, still green. Uh, 363.95. Yeah, I don't like that SPY is trying to hold this upper area, but my contract's holding real well. That's very interesting. I'm going to buy a little more here. I just bought a little more SPY. We'll see what happens. Yeah, bought a little more SPY short. Amazon is just absolutely diving. SPY looks like it's going to put in a lower high, but I don't like that Q's is coming into the bounce zone. SPY should be way down from where it is. SPY should be down here 436-ish, 436.60s. At least. There goes Apple. Apple's coming. Here comes SPY. Yeah. Come on down, SPY. Nvidia broke its 194.10. Microsoft's headed down south. Just broke opening lows. Q's is at the bounce zone 363.95. Amazon, Apple's diving, so is SPY. My SPY contract's moving a little, not a lot. There it goes. It's peeled a little off right there. I'm only making $10 or $11 a contract. I'm just trying to hedge myself against getting red in this trade if it pops, you know, because we're near highs. Very quick with profit. She might let loose here though. All right, Amazon's got a big candle up. Very divergent. Nvidia's trying to get traction. I just took some more off. Apple needs to break, or SPY needs to break the open to get moving down. Apple's heading into the bounce zone at 146.80. That's really where I wanted to take Apple long. Apple. You have to be on it. I don't know if this is going to be it doesn't make sense where Q's is and where SPY is right now. SPY should be way down here, 436.12. 436 around the close is where SPY should be, and it's not. So SPY should come down. Did SPY just break the low? It's at the low right now. Breaks this low, my contract's going to pop. All right, we got a double bottom on SPY. Trying to set up, see what happens here. I took a little more off. It's gonna, listen, we got pre-market highs. SPY wants to tumble to get everybody out on a Friday. SPY's trying to break it. There she goes. There we go. Now we're getting paid. Now we're getting paid. Took a little more right there on that candle. Filled me $1.24. $23 contract so far on that, on the ones I bought. Come on, SPY, let's go. Make sure you're taking profit along the way, guys. What are you waiting on? Were you trying to get in Google? Oh, Q's. I don't know if I would trust Q's for the bounce off 363.95. SPY would have to come up or come down fast. Watch that profit. Yeah, watch that profit. Don't give it back. Don't take too big of a position. Remember, it's Friday. Don't get sucked in. I'm setting a stop on my SPY contracts at $1.12 on my 438 puts. case we get a flash up, I don't lose all my money I've made so far. We're coming down now. SPY is a good short. Min SPY short. Microsoft's a good short from the early open. Sell the news, buddy. Let me look at Twitter. What's Twitter doing? Oh yeah, ran right into that 70. That's kind of where I thought we should take a long 69.56. You could risk a small position there at that 69.56 range on Twitter. You just gotta be quick with profit. Yep. Well, now I gotta pay attention. I gotta take some profit here. I got filled at $1.30 right before that pull up on SPY. I don't have many left. Are you going long or short? I don't think the down pressure is done yet, but we'll see. Start small, buddy. It's Friday. Jason, you in SPY still? Out? Oh, what'd you trade? Apple? Apple is a nice bounce. You started a little early. Within 10 cents it bounced, so that was a good play. I should have took Apple, but I was short SPY. I almost took the Apple long as well, and then I could hedge both ways, but you're in Twitter? All right. I think you got in I'd have wanted it closer to that 69.50, but it's coming up. Apple's coming up, SPY's coming up. I still haven't got stopped out of my SPY. I got stops at $1.12, the 438s. Aggravated, I missed that Apple long. I've been wanting to get Apple long all week and I didn't take it because I was in something else. Well, Twitter's not moving, it's just stagnant at the moment. SPY's into VWAP. Contract's holding up nice. My contract just jumped negative $10, $12 in 1 second. Yeah. $1.10. How can I spread out? There it went. The spread just opened up big. It just took me out. I'm out of SPY. Twitter's sucking back up. Relax. Q's is pushing up. Just relax. Microsoft's coming up. Nvidia's at the call. It's holding 194.10. I have the other charts over on the other screen over here. Buddy, you got to relax a little bit. All right. Q's is into the 50. SPY looks like it's going to try to test the high. Amazon's put in a higher low. Boy, I like Nvidia long right now. There goes Twitter. You just had to sell. You just had to sell some contracts, and then it said, "All right, it's time to go back up." Mm-hmm. Amazon's in the view app. I'm trying to decide what to do here. I made some nice money on this short. The contracts paid pretty well on the short. I really want to go long and SPY. Missed Apple. Hey guys, I'm going to be like Tandon. I'm going to take Nvidia here. About to. Yeah. I'm going to long it when it sucks down, which it just did. Contracts are cheap. I'm aggravated I didn't take that Apple long, damn it. All right, SPY's going to the SPY's going to go test the high. It could double top right here, but I don't think it's going to. We'll see. I was hoping they were going to dump SPY much further than they did. Amazon's coming to life. I'm in Nvidia long. Got the 194.38 call. I got filled at $1.50. Yeah, I saw it. I'm up 20 a contract on Nvidia. If I can get a pop, I'll make a lot of money in this contract. If it just runs up to the 50. Come on, Nvidia. SPY's trying to double top. Oh, I'm cautious. SPY on the double top. Listen, so I want you guys to understand something. SPY broke the highs pre-market. SPY's going to this high. Bet it. It's going there. It may sell off first, but by the end of the day, it'll be back at this 438. I'm a little red in Nvidia now. That's all I need to get my contract moved, buddy. I should have took that that double top. I got NVIDIA, so I got to get it on my main screen here and stop looking to my left. Hold on. I took NVIDIA towards the bottom. I'm good with hanging on to the trade. Whoops. Take an ad here. Come on, NVIDIA, let's go. Come to life. I gotta stop taking NVIDIA on a Friday, Jason. There we go. There's a suck up. What are you MHAFing? Nothing? All right. I got some NVIDIA long. We'll see what happens here. There, she sucked up nice. Hey, buddy. I just took an ad on NVIDIA. Got filled at $1.14. Uh-huh. I'm careful. I take my money as it pops up. It's made 30 a contract real fast. I take them on and off quick. Apple is a good play, yep. I took NVIDIA as the dog. Apple was great from the 146.80. I looked at it, I even had it open, and I didn't take it because I was in SPY short. But we'll see what happens here. Yeah. I'm surprised that SPY bounced where it did. I really expected it to come down to this 435, 50s. Somewhere down in the close, retest yesterday, which I still think it's going to do. It's showing everybody like, oh, now we're just going to crap the bed. We've put in a double top, and then they're just going to jam it straight up once they load all the shorts on. That's exactly what it looks like, so. I'm aggravated about Bitcoin too. I was waiting for that trade. I have the trade open at 26,000, comes into 29.2, and some group buys billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, runs it back up before I get in. I'm upset about that, so I'm just gonna watch it, see what happens here. Come on, NVIDIA. SPY's gonna go down, damn it. Amazon ran up and tagged the open. Need to be paying attention. There goes SPY. Man, that double top short, man, that was beautiful. On what? $435, 47, 46, yes. Who is? Yep. AMD really, I mean, it's hard to take that play. I mean, you could see it right here. It bounced right off the after hours, which was a good tell where it would bounce. NVIDIA doesn't care that SPY's coming down currently. I'm not really crazy about this long, but we're going to watch it. Got to give it some wiggle, you know. I wonder if SPY's going to come in here and bounce. 436.60. SPY's diving. It is divergent right now. Mahaffey took Apple long. Killed it. I should have took it. I had it open. I didn't. Aggravate it with myself. I didn't take that trade. Sometimes I hate getting in two positions early like that. Oh, there's NVIDIA. Well, come on. Show a little life. Show a little life. You and Neo. I don't know what you're getting in Neo for. You love NVIDIA and you're not getting in it. You're like, oh, it's a dog. It's going to come up. Watch. Let me flip this over, hiking a she, so I can pay attention to what's going on here. You see how on the regular candles it looked like it was actually green. It was actually red for the last 4 or 5 minutes. I'm just looking for a pop-up into the 50 or VWAP open. Unless it really starts moving, I'm just going to close this out. Oh, wait. Hang on now. Holy, I'm not even paying attention here. SPY's coming up. Microsoft's coming up. Microsoft is a good play too. Google's just flat consolidation, really. Come on, NVIDIA. Doggone it. SPY's back into VWAP. I have a call and some stuff I have to do here in a little bit, guys, so I'm not going to be on much longer. Q's is still climbing. I feel NVIDIA is going to pop. As it keeps sliding. I didn't risk much on this trade, so. I don't know why you guys weren't listening to me. Who took that short on the double top on SPY? This is why you always take profit. You never know where it's going to bounce sometimes. I mean, SPY bounced in the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere. Nowhere land. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on now. Video's showing me a little life right there. Little life. So we got somebody posted in the comments on my YouTube live. Fables buy DRV attack the hedgies. Tanda, what are you in? NVIDIA's moving so slow. Heavy support, buddy. All I need is a tag up here to the VWAP, and it's only 70 cents away. That's all I need to make some nice pocket money. There we go. She's turning green. Turning green. Let me look over here at something. Well, I keep telling you. I don't know why you just jumped into Neo, bro. Like, I'm trading one of your favorite stocks, and you're like, no, I'm not doing it. Mm-hmm. We'll see. Here comes NVIDIA. SPY's climbing. Q's just broke out of the pre-market double top just now. Did you long, Neo? It looked like it broke. Did it break out? Hold on. Excuse me, has not broke the double top yet. It's real close. It tagged it. It looked like it broke, but then when I zoomed in, it didn't break it. Q's. NVIDIA's coming up nicely now. I'm not greedy. I just took off $20 a contract right there. Well, I did it just in time. I don't think I'm going to end up even or square on this trade. It needs to pop up because I bought some a little earlier. It paid more, but I've taken profit and bought and sold a few times in this dip and up and down. So now it's dipping again. Back down to my purchased area. Glutton for punishment. Want some more. I bought some more NVIDIA. But I sell mine a lot faster than you do. I'm just playing off this 193.50 area, which is within a point of my risk, so. Yeah. I'm only going to run this down to the double bottom. I'm only risking $300 or $400, so I'm not going to go off $1,000 in this play. Bought some more. Bought the 193s this time. See if we get a bounce. There we go. Come on. SPY's coming up. 193.05 is basically where I'm going to come down to. If it doesn't get it together, I'm just going to cut it. Stupid thing is I don't even need to take this damn trade. It's 10 o'clock. One more ad right there. Way too many contracts on video on a Friday. Yep, so's NVIDIA. All right, I cut NVIDIA. I lost 700 on that one. That's fine. I made way more than that on SPY earlier, so whatever. I took a small position. It still ended up costing me 700. Now that I got out, it'll bounce. Agitates me. Hate losing my last trade on a Friday. Oh well. All right. Well, we'll do some. Maybe we'll do some live training tomorrow on entries and exits. What do you think, Tandon? All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna shut this down. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not giving back anymore. Yeah, look at NVIDIA bounce. God damn it. I can't watch it. It's going to make me mad. Not well, it's coming back up. I wrote it down to that bottom, which was the bottom of yesterday. It should have bounced right here, and then it slipped. I said, you know what? I'm just going to cut it. If it comes back up from here, I'm going to be agitated. I gave it a point, you know what I mean? Which is a lot. It was 40 something a contract. But I took a small position, so whatever. All right, y'all. I'm going to shut this down. Tandon, I'll talk to you later. Guys, I'll talk to you later. You see this crap? It was just waiting for the whale to get out of it. Now it's coming up. Q's is breaking out. Yeah, no, that's all you can do. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm going to shut down the stream. I got some other things to do today. One on SPY nicely this early, and then gave some back on video because I'm a dummy. But anyway, guys, have a great day.